Windows 10 Start menu, Notification Center, Store apps not working. Everything in Windows 10 worked perfectly for just 3 or 4 days after upgrading from 8.1. Yesterday I wanted to use the search feature, so I press Win+S and get the error critical error, your start menu isn't working. We'll try to fix it the next time you sign in. I also can't open the settings app since that's also a Metro app. I have tried everything I could find and nothing worked for me. Things I've tried include in PowerShell, the answer here, and things like that. Did you modify the registry? Yes. Adding Sublime Text 3 to the Open With list, it can't be because of this, can it? Back in Windows 8, adding a few things to the IMB menu of some files, no trouble at all. So what can I do to fix these problems?
A solution posted by Loopy. Log into your current profile. Press Win+X and select Command Prompt Admin. Enter the following commands in this order. Net user tempadmin 1 password 1/add. Net user tempadmin 2 password 2/add. Net locale group administrators tempadmin 2/add. Press Ctrl-Alt-Delete. Click Sign Out. Log into the tempadmin 1 account using password 1. Log out, and then log into the tempadmin 2 account using password 2. Note, you must fully sign out, not just switch users. Open File Explorer, select View, then check the box marked Hidden Items. Directly navigate to C column Y. Click Continue to gain access when prompted. Right-click the folder Database in AMP, copy. Now, navigate to the same folder for your damaged profile, see column Y. Right-click empty area in the folder and select Paste. Reboot, then sign back in with your original profile. Now, assuming all is well, you want to delete the 2 accounts you created. Win+X Control Panel User Accounts manage another account. Select Account, then Delete Account. Brief explanation. Your tile data layer database is damaged. You need a new tile data layer database. Create a new user, user A, and log in with it. A new database will be created. Proceed with this procedure only if the Start menu and all other apps are working correctly as user A. Because the database is locked when you're logged in, you create user B, with access to user A's profile and your user profile. Rename the old database, and copy the new database from user A to your profile. Log out from user B, and your account should work again.
Here are some fixes I found online. Fix 1. Right-click at Start and run Command Prompt as admin. Type command rin%vendor%system32 /applicker/plugin .boc. Reboot. Fix 2. Right-click at Start and click Run. Type services.msc and press the Enter key. right-click on Application Identity and select Start. Reboot. Fix 3. Right-click on the Start button and select Command Prompt, Run as Administrator. Type, dism/online/cleanup image/restore health. Reboot. Fix 4. Press +R on your keyboard. Key in PowerShell and hit Enter. Right-click on the PowerShell icon on the taskbar and select Run as Administrator, or create a shortcut with PowerShell and run as admin. Now paste the following command in the Administrator, Windows PowerShell window and press the Enter key. Git xpackage users, for each, at xpackage disable development mode register $__ location \xmanifest.xml. Wait for PowerShell to execute and complete the command. Ignore the few errors, in red color, that may pop up. Reboot. None of these fixes worked for me, but I hope they may work for someone. I did do a restore point recovery, however, that worked. But I'm going to swap back to Windows 7 for the time being, as some of my other programs do not work properly either.
A good solution can be found in here. Solution 1, Chris Raisin. Create a file with the following code. Save it as a.cmd file, for instance, fixlacadesktop.rocks.cmd, and run it as administrator. Solution 2, Robert Gavick. This is a problem associated with Dropbox. The best way to solve the critical error message is to uninstall the Dropbox application. Launch Control Panel, right-click on the Start menu. Go to the Programs. Uninstall Dropbox. Reboot. Now the menu, Search and Cortana should work normally. You can reinstall Dropbox app now, but remember to disable the launch of Dropbox at the Windows start.
I had the exact same behavior of the taskbar and Store app. Start menu, volume, internet/Wi-Fi, notification icons and search not working. Also right-clicking on apps/programs did not work. So I tried multiple things. Here are some options, I'm sure you can find them on Google. The PowerShell command, git xpackage users. Add new user and replace tile data layers folder. Checked if the hrefs for some values in regedit were readable. Did the dism/restore health. And a lot of other stuff. I did not want to reset my whole Windows 10 because reinstalling all my software would take ages. So this solution worked for me. I made a new Windows 10 USB and installed a new Windows 10 version, keeping my files, settings and programs/software/apps, like Photoshop, Office. Here is how you do this. Go to this URL. Click Download Tool now to get the Media Creation Tool.exe. Run this tool to make a Windows 10 installation USB or disk. Make sure you select the options to make it compatible with your Windows 10 version. Once the Windows 10 installation USB or disk is created, run it, setup.exe. Follow the instruction of the Windows 10 installation until you get to choose what to keep. Choose Keep Personal Files and apps meaning your software. Keep following the instructions and run the install and wait until it is done.
When Windows 10 starts again, your taskbar will work like it should.
이런 라디오를 하고 하지만 비행기가 스카이